What's up, my peeps? What's up? And I'm calling you today. It's me, Anthony, speaking right here. What's up? What's up? Can I tell you something? I hate you. Yeah? JK. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, let me tell you something. Guess what I got? You guessing? You guessing? Can you hear it? Huh? See it? It's a fish spinner. See that? I'm spinning it all up in your fucking faces. Okay. What I posted this video was because I just wanted to tell everyone that I got a fidget spinner. Hopefully you guys have one too. I think I have a ghost. Oh yeah, that's right. I'm probably here. Oh, probably hear fireworks. Probably hearing fireworks right now. Because it's 4th of July, Red Sands Day, fireworks. No? 4th of July, fireworks. Nothing? Nothing. Wow. Wow. Oh yeah, what's up? What's up, Muscle? What's up? Oh yeah, he's asleep right now. Trying to wake him up. No? Yeah, he's flexing. Yeah. Okay, that was a mistake. I fucking fell off the fucking chair. Okay, so yeah, happy 4th of July day, and hopefully you guys have fun on what you guys are doing, and stay tuned for more videos. I might make one more, maybe two, whichever ones I'm making today. Maybe one should be when I'm doing firing the fireworks. No, I'm not falling. Yeah. And yeah. Hopefully you guys have a fidget spinner. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, start all over. Every video, my video is gonna end like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you guys flip off. That's for all the haters that you guys hate. Even ex-girlfriends. Try to act cool around you. Bitch, I'm cool. Fucking cool. I got a fidget spinner ex-boyfriend. You want it? Just kidding. This nigga gay. Anyways, so say it with me, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fuck you, haters. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Hate them haters. Okay, peace.